So friends, if you have your bank account in Union Bank of India and if you want to know how to get your statement or how to download statement from Vyom application, then this video is for you. I am going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Vyom application in your mobile phone and complete the login process using MPIN or your fingerprint. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Now, in order to download statement, there are two ways by which you can go to the statement page or saving account details page. First is on the home page itself, you need to tap on saving account over here and then it will take you to saving account page. So this is the first way. Other way is on the home page itself at the bottom, you get option of accounts. So you just have to select account option and you will get two options, operative account and loan account. You have to select operative account and in that just tap on saving account and select your account over here and again it will take you to saving account page. Now once you are on this particular page, make sure you select statement option over here. Once you select statement, you get multiple options like you can download statement for last month, last 6 months, last financial year, 3 months, 12 months, or you can select a custom date. So if you want to be specific, if you want your statement to be from a certain date to any particular date, you can select custom date option. You can tap on this calendar over here and you can select the date and from date and till date. So yeah, that is for custom date. Now currently I'm going to show you statement for last 12 months. Once you select 12 months, you will be able to check out statement over here. Now in order to download this particular statement, you have to tap on PDF option. If you want this statement on your email ID, a registered email ID, then you can select email option, but we are going to download it. So I'm going to tap on PDF. It will give you a pop-up screen like this. Now make sure you read this part very carefully. This is where you get your password because the PDF we are going to download will be locked. So what will be your password? Your password consists of the first 4 characters of your first name. It should be in capital and followed by date or month of your birth. So yeah, that's how your password will be. So just simply tap on confirm option and within few seconds your statement will be downloaded. Now all you have to do is just simply minimize the application. Go to a file manager in your phone and over here if I go to downloads, this is the statement which we have downloaded just now. So I'm going to tap on that statement. I'm going to select an application to open it and now you can see the statement is locked. The PDF file is locked. So to unlock it, I'm going to enter the password which is 4 characters of your name. First 4 characters, it should be in capital and later on date of birth, DDMM. So I have entered the password. Let's tap on OK option and now you can see we have successfully got the statement over here. Now my account is not very old, which is why the statement is short. In your case, it might be different. So overall, you can check out the account details over here and you can check out the statement over here. So yeah, that's how simple it is to download statement from Vyom application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.